Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get this eye look. This is my first attempt at a double cut crease, and I've just decided to try to move my camera closer to me so you guys can see a lot better. There we go. I have less workspace, but I just move all that over. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I got this look on this side, and let's just jump in. Alright, first I took my Soft Orchid paint pot from MAC and put that all over my lid. Next you're going to go in with a very thin, small, I'm used to it being on this side, I'm sorry you guys, very thin, angled, I'm using an angled, but I'm using a very tiny brush, and I'm going to be using the palette Chasing Rainbows by ColourPop, and I'm going to go in with the color Keep It Cool, which is a deep purple. And how I did mine was I actually closed my eye, and I kind of like went above where my crease was, and I just kind of drew a line. I'm trying to remember how I did that. Something like that. I'm not 100% sure how I did this earlier, but it was something like that. Something like that, keyword. And now I'm going to go over that line a little bit more because you are going to blend this out. And I'm going to be blending this out with a small, round, edged brush. I also use this for my inner eye, so it's a little messy, I guess. But you're just going to smudge it upwards. You do not want to smudge down. Once you have it a little bit blended out, you are then going to go in with another small brush. If I had another angle brush, I would be using another one of those, but I don't, so all I have is this like flat, like round, thin brush, and I'm going to be using that with the color Manifest, and I'm just going to be applying this above the purple line I created. Also, like, looking up and trying to make sure that you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. My hand's not in the way. And then I'm going to go back in with that blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. And then once again, I'm going to go back in with that angled brush, and I'm going to go over my deep purple. I think I did this about 3 or 4 times just because it's my first time and I didn't want it to look like junk. So I took my time doing this. I'm going kind of slow. So bear with me, please. I even skipped breakfast just for you guys because I feel like I have not filmed and who knows how long, to be honest. I feel like it's been weeks, but I think it's actually only been 2 weeks last I looked on my account. And I just feel bad, and I shouldn't have to postpone what I'm doing with you guys just because I have other priorities. So I'm trying to just make it all work. I really am. I think you're gonna blend that back out. I think this one I got more I don't know how I did that. That's gonna take some time figuring out how I curved that line. Because I feel like this line just kind of went down. And on this side, I kind of flipped it out somehow. So that'll take some getting used to and some practice. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. I'm now going to go back in with my paint pot just a little bit just to because this isn't wet or sticky anymore. So I kind of want to just remake that sticky. And I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my lid again. If you have a brush you would like to use to do your cut crease, that's great. If not, just be super careful using your finger because you don't want to like mess up what you just worked really hard on, but you don't want to not get close up to the, just dropped my mascara. But anyways, you want to get really close to your line you just drew. The next color I'm going in with is not plain, and I have this clean flat brush that I'm going to be using. Well, it's not clean, I used it on the side, but I'm using it for the same color. But anyways, I'm going to get as close as I can to this line and bring it down. Alright, since I did that, I'm going to go back in. Like I said, I went over this line like a whole lot. I'm going to go back in with Keep It Cool. And basically, I'm just going to touch up my line and make sure it's nice and deep looking and creaseful. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So far, you guys, I'm loving this eye, and this eye's like, eh. But isn't that how it always goes? Like, you get one eye, like, perfect in your own mindset, and then the other eye, you're like, really? I created that? Or, I could have done so much better. But to be honest, I don't know if you could be, because no one can make something perfectly symmetrical. It's very difficult, in my opinion. So, yeah. I'm going to buff a little bit of that out because I kind of went a little crazy. Alright, clean up your edges. And now the last color, I'm going to be taking this round brush, my one that I've been buffing everything out with. I'm going to go in with the shade Blurred Lines. And Blurred Lines is going in my inner corner. And I'm also going to be putting this up on my brow bone. So that is that. A little more over here. And that was a little bit too much in my opinion. We'll just add a little on that side now. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and make an eye wing. So, this wing looks better than this wing. And I'm like trying to fix that, but I don't think it's gonna happen. They kind of look a little weird. Okay, well, I don't know how I feel about that. I can't look at that too long. So I attempted to do a wing on the side, but it looks too upright. So I attempted, this is how I got this look. I had a lot of fun creating it with you guys. So if you guys want to see more looks like this with the double cut crease and Hold on, I'm trying to pick up my mascara. It fell like completely under my desk. But anyways, this is how I got that look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my eye look. Stay tuned in on Instagram to see posts. Bye. Thanks for watching.